Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you exactly how to add product variants in your Shopify store, and it will be a step-by-step using tutorial for you with 2025 interface. So let's go. We are going to talk about variants are super useful when you want to offer different options like size, colors, materials, and the best part is you can track inventory and pricing per variance. So let's dive in and get your store fully optimized. So first of all, you just need to go to your products. So here, as you can see, we have couple of products. So I am going to add another products here if it is needed. So before that, we already dive into the product, but when you are new in this field, you never know about the Shopify before, then you just need to create an account onto the Shopify, or if you have a Shopify account, you just need to create and like log into a Shopify account. Like here you can see you will get this kind of an interface where, or when you will visit, you just need to click on start for free, then it will redirect you to the next page where they are asking for you to fulfill their requirement, and then they will provide you trial. If you want to use their premium plan, you are allowed to use their premium plan from that place. As you can see, this is the basic plan and it is for solo entrepreneurs, and you just need to be charged, like they will charge $19 per month, so you can go with this one if it is needed. Then when you log into your Shopify admin, from the sidebar you just need to go to visit to the product and just select this product and click on an existing product, or you could click add product to create a new one. So I have an existing two products, so I will go with one of them. Then you will see product title. Let's click on this one, and here you can see, you will see the product title, then descriptions, then you have the image and many more things as you can see it. So you just need to be scroll down to find the variant section. So here if you scroll down into the end, here you will find out these variants options. Here you can see add options like size or colors. So this is the variants options. Once you come to this one, then here you just need to enable the variants options. So when you scroll to the variants section and check the box, just click on this one. Like here this product has options like size or color. Like here you just need to be add size, then you just need to add value, that will be 40, then 38, 36, 34, 32, and this is enough. Just click on done, and here you can see all has been done and the variant has been done. Now Shopify will let you enter options, names and values. As you can see it, this is the variant, this is the price, this is the availability. So now you can add variant option, like you can add up to 3 options per product, such as options name, that would be color will be black, white, red. These are the values. Then option 2 will be size, the values will be small, medium, large. Then Shopify will auto generate a combination of all variants. Here you can see these are the variants, you can see it. So if you want to add another option, you just need to add options over here, or if you don't, just click on delete, and this way you can add your variant. Also you can also delete any combination you don't want to offer. So I hope you understand. Then you can customize variant details, like after the variants are generated, you will see them listed below. Here you can see, so if you want to edit them, you are allowed to edit them each element, like click each variant to customize price, set different price for different size. Here you can see this is the price, so I'm going to change the price into 200. Then you can change the SKU, like unique code per variant for inventory. Then inventory, you can track quantity available. Then image, assign a photo to each variant to, so when a used select, like user select red, it shows a red shirt. Let me give a tip that use bulk edit to update the multiple variants at once. Then add variant specific image, like scroll to the media sections. Here you can see this is the media sections. Here you can upload product image showing different colors or style, then assign each image to the matching variant. Let me add one of them. So let's add file and then choose this one, and then let's try to add it. this improves customer experience during the selection. That's why I suggest this one. So let's click to the save, and when it will be done, then I will preview it. Just click onto the preview. Once you click over here, now here, if I, as you can see, this is the 40. If I select 38 and if I select this one, the image will be changed. So here let's try to change it, add further mode, like add 38, and try to upload new image. I may upload this one and then wait a bit to complete the upload. So here you can see that our image has been uploaded. So I'm going to add it here, and eventually you can see that our image already added to this place. So I will click on save. Once I click over here, then it will take a while, and then I will click on preview again. Once I click over here, now if I click on 38, you can see that the image already been changed. So this way you can add variant specific image. It is really easy, like assign each image to the matching variant. I already mentioned this improves customer experience during the selections. Then when you've done all these necessary things, now you are feel that it looks really amazing and you already organize all the things. Like let's add another option, it will be more good. Like this will be the color, then it will be black, then add white, red, blue, and then try to add it done. And here you can see 4 variants. This is the black, and here we get the couple of other options. So you can add image here also, you can change the price, you can change the availability as you want. So it's totally depend on you. So I'm going to save it, then I will preview it. Now here we have couple of changes we are facing. So let's see that the changes has been happened on our main product or not. So let's click on preview. So here you can see that our color has been added here perfectly. If you select 31, here you can select the white color. So here you has various options. Like if you want to add another one, you are allowed to add it from that place, and the procedure is totally like completely the same. So you can now, like I believe you can now easily create for you, like whatever product you are selling, you could create variants for yourself. So I hope this video make you understand how easy the process was. But in the end, I will give you a tip that always preview your product on desktop and mobile, because whenever you save, like many audience come from the mobile, that's why I mentioned mobile phone. So always remember this one. So in the end, I am going to give you a bonus tip, like add variant using CSV import. It is optional and also an advanced option, but you could know it. Like if you have knowledge this one, it will help you in the future. Like if you have a lots of variants or product, use a CSV import. You just need to go to the products, then click on the product, and here you can see we have this options called import. Just click to the import, and from that place upload a Shopify, import data from the another platform. It's totally depend on you what kind of a CSV file you want to import in here. Then just click on this next. Once you click over it, then choose the platform. Here you just need to choose your platform. Then when you choose the platform, then you just need to download the sample CSV and fill into the variant details in Excel or Docsheet and upload it to the Shopify. This is great for bulk editing or managing inventory in a spreadsheet. That much easy the process was. If you want to add this, like export this file, you are allowed to do it. Just click on export, and here you can see current page, all products, then CSV, or you could try to the plain CSV, whatever you want. Like I will export the product, and as you can see, exported 2 products and it has been downloaded, and CSV file will be something like this. Here you can see it. Let's see it. As you can see, this is the file and this is our product, and as you can see how easy the process was to export it. And now if you want to import it, you are allowed to import it here. So let's wrap up the video here. If you found out this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.